What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Hi guys, today we have a Chinese takeaway. So here we have crispy beef and Cantonese sauce, salt and chili pepper chicken, some fried rice with some prawns on top because Kenny got house special curry, give me his prawns. I've got some chips here and we've also got crispy wontons, which comes with sweet and sour sauce. Absolutely starving. We've been counting down the minutes for the Chinese to open. So let we get one of these lovely sweet and sour crispy wonton, guys. Oh. I love these. Got a glass of Coke. What a feast, man. Oh, right, try a bit salt and pepper chicken. Lush. Oh, that is divine. I'll not be talking much in this, guys. I'll just be enjoying my food. So I was going to make a dinner today, and then I was also thinking I could just have a Chinese as well. And then Kenny later on said, "Ooh, we'll get Chinese tonight." And I said, "Well, yeah, we will," because I was thinking either doing a nice dinner or Chinese. So I'll do my dinner for my next video. This is totally hitting the spot. This is lovely crispy beef. It's so nice, this. And Cantonese sauce. Have you also had a takeaway this weekend? I feel like we haven't had Chinese. I think it was it just before, just after Christmas we had, or it was just before, wasn't it? I'm in heaven. Prawn and fried rice. This is from Jack's Chinese. Never had a bad one from them yet. Really nice Chinese it is. Actually came early because it said roughly time. It just gives you like a rough time of 20 to 7. And they're like nearly an hour early, aren't they? See, we're pre-ordered, so maybe if they've started a bit early, they've been able to get it ready literally for them opening. Pardon me. Those wontons are so nice. I wasn't going to do a video. I thought, oh, with the order saying it's going to be like another hour, I thought, oh, I may as well get everything set up and then. Because I feel like most of the time when we get a takeaway, I want to just chill and enjoy the weekend, whatever day we get it on. But I thought then you're missing all like the good food, like the takeaway food. I don't think I've done a Chinese one for ages. Pardon me. Do you know when everything is just super delicious? It's nothing worse when you order takeaway because they're not cheap, are they? And you don't really enjoy it. You feel like it's the right waste of money, but this is wow. Well worth it. Spencer now loves this crispy beef. We made him taste it last time we got it and he fell in love with it, so he's got some of this with this salt and pepper chicken, and Oscar's just got salt and pepper chicken with chips. Hey, what do you think, those of you that are on TikTok, what do you think of the America getting banned off it? Sorry, America banning it. Give it a couple of more days for, I already think it's been a little bit more boring today on TikTok. So give it a couple of more days when have the stories and that stay on. Or the people's posts who we haven't watched yet. Them will run for the next few days, but then it's going to be boring after that. I think when Trump's in properly though, I think he may try and bring it back for everyone. It's a shame really, because some people make a lot of money on TikTok. Like, it's their livelihoods. Nice. Pardon me. So yeah, it's a shame, like, because the amount of money some creators make on it. Wow. But I must have followed a lot of Americans on TikTok anyway, because like, I just already feel like it's not the same. It's stupid because why are they banning it? Oh, I think of what I've seen on TikTok. You can never take TikTok news for like serious, can you? But apparently the whole reason they banned it was because they thought the Chinese people were, or Chinese government, sorry, were like collecting people's personal data, etc. or whatever. But the actual owner or whatever of TikTok's meant to be from Singapore. He's Singaporean. So now that they've banned it, everyone's going to, is it Red Note or something? Never really heard of it until now. Everyone's going there, and that is the actual Chinese, like, TikTok-y, similar TikTok thing. So what's been the actual real point? But I mean, TikTok can take you down some rabbit holes, don't you? Isn't it? I love how this stays crispy, even though it's covered in sauce. Just divine it is. Ooh, I'm getting well full here, guys. I used to go to a place called Bamboo Garden all the time. They done a lovely salt and pepper chicken, but it must have changed hands a couple of years ago now, and that's why I went to Jack's. I was so glad when I found it, because I was really missing that Bamboo Gardens, but Jack's is lovely. Everything, the chow main's delicious. Everything we've had from there has been really nice. Could just do a whole ASMR video with these, couldn't I? I'm gonna have one more of these and then I'm done, guys. Don't worry, I'm saving this. I don't mind reheating Chinese food. That's all I'm doing. Don't want to overdo it, guys, in case I knock myself sick. You will are glad I done a little video for you now. I can now go and have my shower and enjoy the rest of the night. Back to normal tomorrow, guys. Weekend gone like that again. I feel like I've not long said that. The weeks are feeling like 2 or 3 days long. That's how quick it's going time. It's true what they say, like the older you get, the quicker time goes. So yeah, I've got 2 lovely minty lamb shanks in my freezer. So I'm going to do mashed potato, minty lamb shanks with asparagus and probably a couple of Yorkshires. And Kenny also is going to join us because someone said in the comments, is Kenny going to be doing a video with you soon? And I was just literally thinking myself, and I looked on my channel to see how long ago he was on, and it was before Christmas, guys. So I've come to do that. He went, I'll do that dinner one with you because he loves them lamb shanks. So that'll be my next video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't already pressed the subscribe button, press it, please. It really helps us reach more new people, help us grow my channel. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your Sunday night. I love you all. Thanks for watching.